The future of business management with Busy on Cloud. Welcome to the future of business management with Busy on Cloud. This powerful cloud-based solution is designed to streamline your business operations, making it easier to manage everything from anywhere. Why choose Busy on Cloud? With Busy on Cloud, you gain access to a range of features that simplify your business processes. Real-time data access. Access your data anytime, anywhere, with just an internet connection. Centralized management. Manage inventory, sales, purchases, and accounting all from one platform. Automatic updates. Stay current with automatic updates and new features without any hassle. Enhanced security. Your data is protected with advanced security measures and regular backups. User-friendly interface. Enjoy an intuitive interface designed for ease of use and quick navigation. Customizable reports. Generate detailed reports tailored to your business needs. Prioritizing your security. At Busy on Cloud, your security is our top priority. Compliance standards. We adhere to industry-leading compliance standards to ensure your data meets regulatory requirements. The benefits of Busy on Cloud. So why should you choose Busy on Cloud for your business needs? Here are some benefits you'll love. Increased productivity. Save time and focus on what matters most with automated processes. Cost-effective. Reduce overhead costs with a cloud-based solution that eliminates the need for expensive hardware. Scalable solution. Easily scale your resources as your business grows. 24/7 support. Access expert support whenever you need it to keep your business running smoothly. Getting started is easy. Getting started with Busy on Cloud is simple. Sign up, customize your settings, and begin managing your business operations from anywhere. Are you ready to transform your business? Visit our website www.XcellHost.cloud to learn more and start your free trial today.